Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set the Talkback Verbosity level to low on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen, and you want to select the settings button, and then scroll down and select the accessibility tile. Under Screen Reader, select Talkback, and then underneath Options, select Settings. And now underneath Audio, select the Verbosity button. And now at this point, you can go ahead and adjust the preset level by selecting the Choose a Preset up at the top. And you can select either high or low, depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.